Hello student, good morning. Today I am going to discuss chemistry of 11th class and the topic is some basic concept of chemistry, but the topic is some basic concept of chemistry. Some basic concept of chemistry. The topic is some basic concept of chemistry and the subtopic is molecular mass. First of all, it is very important to know what is the difference between molecule and compound. Molecule contains similar types of atoms. Suppose, for example, O2 molecule, it contains two similar oxygen atoms. But compound, it contains different atoms in a fixed proportion. For example, water is a compound because it contains two hydrogen and one oxygen. The ratio is 2:1, which is fixed. Compound is also known as molecule of compound. So in general, we can say compound is also known as molecule because compound also contain molecule. For example, H2O, it contains one molecule of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So it is also known as molecule of compound. So in general, molecule is also known as compound is also known as molecule. In previous lecture, I have discussed atomic mass, molecular mass, formula, unit mass. But today I am going to discuss molecular mass of some hydrated compounds. For example, copper sulfate .5s2. It is known as hydrated copper sulfate because it contains 5 water molecule. The water of crystallization of this particular compound is 5 because it contains 5 water molecules. So how we can calculate the molecular mass of hydrated copper sulfate? Copper atomic mass is 63, sulfur atomic mass is 32, oxygen atomic mass is 16, but here 4 oxygen atom and dot represent plus 5 bracket 2 into 1 because here 2 hydrogen atom and the atomic mass of one hydrogen is 1 and 16. So we can write 63 plus 32 plus 64 plus 5 and 2 plus 16. So 63 plus 32 plus 64 plus 5 into 18. 63 plus 32 plus 64 plus 90. 0 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 18 and 6, 24. So the molecular mass of CuSO4-5s2O 247 AMe. We can check also 0 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. 3, 4, 6, 9. Sorry. 249. 9 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 20, 24. 249 AMU. So the molecular mass of hydrated copper sulfate is 249 AMU. The molecular mass of hydrated magnesium sulfate, it is also known as Epsom salt. Hydrated magnesium sulfate is known as Epsom salt. So we can calculate the molecular mass. Magnesium 24 plus sulfur 32, oxygen 16, dot represent plus 6, we can write directly. So 24 plus 32 plus 64 plus 108. 18 6 the 108. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 and plus 4, 18. 0, 6, 9, 11, 12, 13, 238 AMU. So the molecular mass of magnesium sulfate is 238 AMU. Next, how we can calculate the ionic mass of a particular, for example, particular ion. What is the ionic mass of ammonium ion? This is ammonium ion. We easily calculate nitrogen 14 plus hydrogen 4 into 1 is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 AMU, because there is no use of plus or minus sign to calculate the ionic mass of a particular compound. For example, PO4 3 minus, this is phosphate ion. The atomic mass of phosphorus 31, atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 31 plus 64, 4 plus 1 5, and 6 plus 3 9, 95 AMU. Here it represents 3 electrons, 3 negative charge, which means 3 electron. The mass of electron is negligible, so we cannot use the mass of electron because it is negligible. So in ionic mass, there is no use of plus and minus sign to calculate the ionic mass of a compound. Okay. Next, I am going to discuss the mole concept. Mole concept. First of all, what is mole? Mole is a fixed number. F-I-X-E-D. Sorry. Fixed number. It is used to count. It is used to count particles. Particles may be atoms, may be molecules, may be ions, electron, proton. So mole is a fixed number. It is used to count particles. Particles may be atoms, may be molecules, may be ions, may be electrons and protons. Just like dozen. It is a fixed number. It is a fixed number. It is used to count fruits. For example, 1 dozen apple means 12 apple. So, just like dozen, we can write 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 1 dozen is equal to 12 entities. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Particles may be atom, may be molecules, may be ions, may be electrons, may be proton. How we get moles? हम ये नंबर कैसे obtain कर सकते हैं? It is very easy. So 1 mole is equal to 12 gram of carbon 12 divided by mass of 1 atom of carbon 12. Okay, so 12 gram Mass of one atom of carbon I have already discussed in previous video. 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Gram cancel. After calculation, we get 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 carbon atom, because here I am consider the carbon atom. So this is 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 carbon atoms. How we can define mole? It is the ratio of 12 gram of carbon 12 and mass of 1 atom of carbon 12. In NCERT, the definition is very difficult, but we can easily explain. It is the ratio of 12 gram of carbon 12 and mass of 1 atom of carbon 12. We can easily explain 1 mole is a fixed number. 1 mole is a fixed number. That number is called Avogadro number. So Na is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay. So students are required to focus that particular video. If any difficulties, you can discuss with me. I will explain, I will solve the problem. Next video, I will discuss the formula related to the moles. Thank you for watching the video.